Welcome to Moto Explorer. Today, we're diving into the Ducati Monster 937 Plus, a modern take on an iconic motorcycle that combines performance, style, and everyday practicality. At its heart is a 937cc Testastretta L-Twin engine, producing 111 horsepower and 93 Nm of torque. The Monster 937 Plus delivers plenty of punch for spirited rides while maintaining a smooth and approachable character for everyday use. The bike's lightweight design is one of its standout features. Weighing just 166 kilograms dry, it's incredibly agile and easy to handle. The new aluminum frame, inspired by the Panigale, makes it 18 kilograms lighter than its predecessor, enhancing its responsiveness and rideability. The Monster 937 Plus is packed with technology, including a 4.3-inch TFT display, Ducati Quick Shift, and advanced rider aids like traction control, wheelie control, and cornering abs. Whether you're commuting or carving through twisties, this bike adapts to your needs. The Plus version adds a little extra flair with its aerodynamic flyscreen and passenger seat cover, giving the bike a sportier, more aggressive look. And with Ducati's signature styling and bold color options, the Monster is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The Ducati Monster 937 Plus strikes a perfect balance between performance, style, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced riders. What are your thoughts on the new Monster? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Moto Explorer content. Ride safe, and I'll see you next time.